guys, Eddie here. Today I want to share a big guy with you. When this guy pre-order start, people was very excited and last was disappointed as this console keep delaying. After keep waiting more than a year, lastly it was here. This big guy is DigiDock version 2. A huge waterproof heavy duty casing to keep this guy safe. The one I received is silver color with Raspberry Pi CM4 core. So let's unboxing it. We have a silver DigiDock version 2, a pack of extra rubber pad or conductive pad, a very nice looking screwdriver, what is this? Maybe to keep the console dry. We have two screen protector, and a extra back casing with battery. Now let's go to DigiDock version 2. This dock is very solid, heavy, and if compared with DigiDock version 1, it should slightly a bit bigger. This DigiDock is come with CM4 quad-core Cortex A72 with 1.5 GHz. Also can be question mark because you can fix others module core into it. We have 4GB LPDDR4 for CM4. Same, it also can be others if you fix other module core into it. 10,000 mAh battery and a 5.5 inch IPS display with 1280 x 720 high resolution display color with 65K, 262K and 16.7 million color for the display, and this display is come with touchscreen. For the operating system, it can be either Linux, Android or Windows, depends which module core you want to fix into it. Front we have a left analog stick on top of the D-pad, home and select button, a speaker hole, another side is ABXY button, and below is the right analog stick, hotkey and another speaker hole. This is the 5.5 inch display screen. A volume slider to adjust the volume, a Type-C charging port, A hole or ventilation hole, a 3.5 headphone socket, another slider for brightness adjust. Left side it comes with two USB 2.0 port, a regular HDMI port and a button for HDMI. Another side it comes with a power button and a display for battery life. Top we have a huge air hole to help to cool down the dot, and also L1, L2, R1, R2 trigger button. Push in is R2 or L2, press down is R1 or L1 button. Back side only have a SD card slot. What is the weight for this DigiDock version 2? is around 700 grams. Never try to drop this DigiDock to your feet. Before play some games, let's tear down first. We need to remove 2 upper screws and loosen the below 2 screws. Also same for another side. Just remove the upper 2 screws and loosen the below 2 screws. After remove the top 4 screws and loosen the below 4 screws, you are able to separate the front and back shell. We need to remove this ribbon cable. $10,000 mAh battery CM4 module. I will share more on next video when I fix with other module core into it. Let's insert the SD card and power on the console. I flash a Bartosella image into this 32GB SD card. Press and hold 3 seconds to power on the console. If you press again, it will show you the battery life. It also can be used as power bank function to charge your other device. This slider is to adjust your volume. If you press in the slider, it will mute the console. Press again, unmute. Right hand side slider is to control the brightness. Press into sleep mode and press again to bring it back to normal. Need to press any button after press the slider. If you connect your dot to TV, you need to press this button and the display will go blank. To switch back the display to your console, just press again the HDMI button. Now, let's have some fun with games. That's all for today's video. I will share more how to fix with different module code into this DigiDock version 2 and how to use this backshell for others module code. How do you think of this DigiDock version 2? Remember to subscribe my channel, give me a thumb and share my video. See ya!